Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we had a pretty solid day yesterday, pretty much engulfing the previous day's red range bar. So we are back in this area of congestion. I mean, look here, if I put that level in there, that's going to be a pretty major level. We're heading back towards it at the moment. We are on this inside tail at the moment, and yeah, nothing really to say about this except this is one massive flat top triangle. When this thing does break, it is going to be violent, and this gap will close pretty quickly. I think that's the first thing on the bull's mind at the moment, is to close that gap, and then the second thing is going to be all-time high. Okay, so we are not far off the all-time high. Well, 5%, so pretty similar to the Wall Street, the Dow Jones. But yeah, let's just get down to lower time frames. Yeah. Okay, so yesterday you can see the day before we had that indecision pullback. Yesterday we had this pin bar, bit of indecision, and then a breakout into the afternoon session, and that was pretty much as a result of the S&P and the Nasdaq flying along. So what do we have at the moment? We have a pretty strong break above this area here, which is 13,200. Okay, we've got to close above it, and I would look for a pullback and start looking for breaks up. So target areas for me are 13,357 and 13,542. Now, just bear in mind that the Dow Jones index is basically being realigned. So in other words, stocks have been removed, stocks are being added, and we've got Apple's stock splits coming up on Friday. So the realignment is on the 31st, which is next Monday, and Apple's stock split is tomorrow, and those things are going to affect the Dow Jones price. So for me, staying away from the Dow Jones is an intelligent thing, but the DAX tends to follow the Dow pretty much almost like a smaller brother would follow his bigger brother around. So that's kind of the scenario that you've got right now. And then the euro is pretty much stagnant and not going anywhere, which would also impact the DAX as well. So we do have some data coming out today. We've got the jobs number in the US and a couple other bits of data coming out today. So Thursdays are normally, there is normally potential for volatility. And for me, I'm looking for pullbacks and opportunities to buy. Now, again, just going to keep saying this on this index. Look at the 15-minute, probably the easiest way to trade this, and take the short-term targets. Okay, the nice thing about the DAX at the moment is your stop areas are fairly close to where price is at the moment. Okay, so we are trending up. You can see the 15 minutes here. You know how we cycled, using a South African term there, cycled has struggled. So you see how we struggled to get above the moving average here. You can see there, and then eventually got it going. So this little consolidation here, I would expect a break and a move to the upside, to be honest. And from a futures perspective at the moment, let's get there quick, and you'll see that we are down 0.37% at the moment, so 13,197 right now. And that's just below this level here. So I would reckon we're probably hovering around, we're probably going to be looking for this area here, 13,178. Let's just check it on the hour. Yeah, so we've got 13,178, and then we have this area down here, which is 13,163, and a little bit further down there's another area. You can see, well, actual fact, just do that, it'll be around there. Okay, so at its lowest level it's 13,142, 13,163, and then 13,178. So I'm looking for price to come back down, consolidate in this area before offering an opportunity to buy. Okay, we may just stay stagnant until this afternoon, until we get the US jobs number out. It seems to be the order of the week so far for European markets, is that everything's quite static until the US opens, and then the volumes come through, and then we get the movements. Okay, So that's my view on this at the moment. Definitely looking for an opportunity to buy. First target is 13,357. Second target is going to be 13,542. Okay, so in other words, take profit here, wait for the pullback, wait for structure, get back in, take profit there. Okay, anyway, that's it for me on the DAX. Definitely looking for longs, and we'll be looking to enter a trade, but just need to see those pullbacks onto structure. Okay, hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.